Couple of questions for you.
You want to quiet? Don't get the government.
No, thank you.
You talk about that next.
Yes.
I'm already doing years except for good. What more y'all want?
A little of your time.
What are you girls looking at? Well, I suppose I might make one mistake.
That right?
I feel like I that dead little white girl with the head facing on 100 Street, feet facing on Alabama Street. That was wrong. It was the other way around. Hey!
That was in the workroom on the second floor?
Everything else was just like I said before.
Well, then I'm a little bit confused.
Why's that?
Because when they found the body in the basement, coroner's report says there was sawdust in the mouth and in the lungs.
Hey!
Got any idea what that means?
Yeah!
He had to be breathing in the basement because there isn't any sawdust on the second floor. Means she was alive when you carried her into the basement.
She must have come back to life. She was dead as last Christmas Eve last time I got it. Because I rolled like
Coroner's report raises a lot of questions about your story, wouldn't you say?
Gordon, is the one that's blind?
Yes.
There's a lot of lint on that second floor. Might not have been sawdust, might have been lint instead. How have you been able to tell the difference? I guess lint and sawdust do the same to a blind man.
He's got 45 years of experience.
You can try to prove that in court, I imagine. Have you been on the chain gang, Governor?
Not yet.
Have you bought these rocks on the chain gang? Get yourself thinking, Governor, how you want to have a good time. Now, Mr. Brady had a good time. Man knows how to have a good time. When I see her turn, she's gonna cool my fever. I'm gonna take that woman, I'm gonna ride like lightning. I'm gonna roll like lightning. Yeah. And feel the rainbow. Hey, yeah.